and welcome to the AI with Arun show. In this episode, we are diving into a significant strategic move in the world of AI and data. We will be analyzing Salesforce acquisition of Waii, a company that has developed a fascinating technology for translating everyday language into powerful SQL queries. Imagine if you could simply ask your company's data a question in plain English and get an answer instantly without needing a data scientist or a team of engineers. That is the core idea here. This move is a key part of Salesforce's plan to build a smarter, more intuitive, and AI-driven future for its customers. And we are going to explore what that means. So, what makes Why so special? It comes down to two key innovations. First, its natural language interface. Most business data is stored in complex databases that require special coding language called SQL to access. Why builds a bridge over that technical barrier? It allows a non-technical user, say a sales manager or a customer services rep, to simply type a question like which customers in the Western region are up for renewal next month, and why translates that into SQL code needed to get the answer. Second, it's self-learning technology. This is not just a simple translator. Wise platform uses what is called a self-learning metadata knowledge graph. Think of it as a smart map of your data that constantly learns and adapts. Every company's data is structured differently, and this allows Y to understand those unique structures automatically. This ultimately enhances the user experience, making Salesforce powerful tools genuinely accessible to everyone in the company. Now, this acquisition does not exist in a vacuum. It's the next logical piece in a much larger puzzle that Salesforce has been assembling. Just this past year, they have made several huge investments in AI and data. They spent $8 billion on Informatica for data management in May, giving them a powerful foundation to organize vast amounts of information. In June, they acquired Convergence.ai to build smarter, more capable AI agents. Salesforce has even been conducting its own internal research on this exact technology, developing something called Text-to-SQL to translate language into database queries. Acquiring Y accelerates this effort, allowing them to integrate this groundbreaking capability directly into their core products like Data Cloud and Einstein Analytics, making all that data that they are managing instantly more accessible and, more important, actionable. Looking at the big picture, there are key strategic drivers behind this move. First, data accessibility. This is about democratization of data. By removing the need for specialized SQL skills, Salesforce empowers every employee to find their own answers and insights directly from the source. Second, AI enhancement. To build a truly useful AI, you need two things: massive amounts of data and a way for the AI to understand it. This move strengthens Salesforce's natural language capabilities and is a critical step towards the vision of agentic AI, which are smart assistants that can perform complex tasks for you autonomously. Finally, it gives them a significant competitive edge in a market where they're constantly competing with giants like Microsoft, Oracle, SAP. Offering a simpler, more intuitive way to query data is a powerful differentiator. So, where would this technology actually live inside Salesforce? The integration possibilities are incredibly exciting. First, imagine it in Data Cloud. Salesforce's massive data warehouse could become a conversational tool. Instead of complex dashboards, a user could simply ask questions to explore billions of records in a natural way. Next, think of Tableau, the data visualization platform. A user could say, show me a map of our top performing sales territories, and Y could generate the underlying SQL query to create that visualization, instantly boosting efficiency. And of course, there is Einstein Analytics. Integrating Y would allow business users to discover insights and explore data trends in a much more intuitive way, essentially having a conversation with the analytics platform. Now, as this table shows, Salesforce has been on a strategic buying spree to build out its data and AI capabilities. This is not just about one company. It's about building a complete ecosystem. In September 2024, they acquired Own Company for 1.9 billion to improve data security. In May 2025, there was a massive 8 billion deal for Informatica to manage data at scale and Convergence.ai to build the AI agents. And in June, they bought MoonHub to bring AI tools into the HR space. Acquisition of Y fits into this pattern perfectly. It continues the clear and consistent investment in technologies that make data smarter, safer, and more accessible. So, of course, no major acquisition comes without potential challenges, and it's important to have a balanced perspective. First, there could be regulatory scrutiny. Salesforce has made several large acquisitions recently, including the 8 billion purchase of Informatica. A move like this could attract attention from regulators who are looking closely at big tech deals. Second, the technical integration itself. Wire's technology is powerful, but weaving it seamlessly into Salesforce's vast and complex product suite would require a significant engineering effort to ensure everything works together perfectly. To sum it up, the potential acquisition of Y represents a powerful strategic alignment for Salesforce. It promises an enhanced user experience by making its sophisticated data tools accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background, effectively turning complex data into a simple conversation. It fuels their commitment to AI driven innovation, strengthening their capabilities and reinforcing their leadership position in a fiercely competitive market. While we wait from them for more information about what their vision of the integration looks like, future outlook is clear. This move fits perfectly into Salesforce's established pattern of acquiring innovative technologies that makes data more intelligent and actionable for their customers. It's another deliberate step towards building the future of AI-powered businesses. With that, we come to the end of the show. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and support our work by joining us as a member.